How to fix Snapchat media upload issue. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting in time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the source bar and type Snapchat. Now once you are done, simply tap on source icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Snapchat and make sure to update the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on your device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Tap on app management. Now tap on the source bar. Now type Snapchat. Now tap on Snapchat. Now click on forward stop. Now go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now go back and restart the application. I hope this should fix it soon. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.